everybody, it's Dr. Gabby with the Back Pain and Joint Center of Texas. And what I want to go over today are just some different arm and postural exercises. So I'm a huge supporter for push-ups. You can do push-ups on the wall where you're standing and you have just a little bit of resistance on your shoulders and your chest, or you can do it in an incline. An incline just means that you're not quite flat horizontal to the ground doing push-ups, but you're at an angle, so it's a little bit more challenging than a wall, but not quite as hard as just doing straight up horizontal push-ups. So you want to get a higher angle. Believe it or not, dining room tables are great for this if it's sturdy, because we don't want to do anything on a unsturdy surface, but even kitchen countertops is another option. So what you're going to do is just have a nice comfortable shoulder width where your hands can go. So if you have a limited range of motion, find that sweet spot that doesn't hurt, but find that positioning with your shoulders. Bring your feet out to a point of comfort and then go down. Like I said, I like to tap my nose on the surfaces I do push-ups on, but you go down and then back up. It is important for you to try and keep your spine in that straight position so you don't want to chicken head it, all right? That's when we can strain our neck or use other muscles that are not intended for that movement. If you need anything, give us a reach out. Other than that, I'll see you next time.